Hello everyone. I thought I should have a captured German locomotive, so this is the G8.1 of the KPEV. 50 of them were sent into German war service during World War One. Some of them were captured. This is the model equivalent I've got, which is quite nicely detailed, runs pretty well. Not sure whether I should be changing the colours a bit to black or whatever. I need to research that a bit better. But it's quite accurately detailed, and yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. Note in the background is my replacement crane that I've been working on. It still needs to be painted into the layout, and it still needs to be weathered a bit too. That's the KPEV logo from World War One, and there's my crane. Yeah, quite pleased with it. So I was also interested in creating the 40 men 8 horses wagons of World War One, which I've mentioned before. This is an example of a surviving one in the Mulhouse Train Museum in France. I photographed it in VR as well, and so I based some of the kind of writing and text on this for my model. There were several shapes and sizes during World War One, so this one's almost got like a shed roof. There was some with almost like a flat roof too, as well as a more rounded roof that you saw. Sometimes the lettering changed slightly, but some place on the main door usually said 40 men or 8 horses, sometimes one above the other or split either side, but that's kind of all the soldiers picked up on and wrote about it in their first-hand accounts. There are some models that are of the right era. They tend to be quite expensive, made for the French market really, quite hard to get hold of here without paying quite a lot of money, and a lot of them seem to be out of production now. This is probably my favourite that I'm trying to get hold of, but I've not managed yet. It's quite well detailed, as you can see. It's got the step on the side, and it's of the right time period. I have managed to get hold of this one, which is on its way from France, which is again the right period. I would have preferred the ready colour because it suits me better, but anyway, it looks pretty good. But these are the ones I bought some time ago when I probably knew a little bit less about it. I was looking for the one of 4 shutter windows and the central door, but the post-war ones have got a slightly longer wheelbase. But anyway, I'd already bought them, so I've put the transfers on, as you can see, that match the ones in France, and they've come out quite well. I started printing my own with a with a colour laser printer. I'm going to do the rod stickers that way too. So here's some running clips of the new locomotive, the German one, pulling some of these French 40 men 8 horse wagons. Enjoy them.